Okay, now I'll show you how I pot the Swedish Ivy. So here I have the rooted cuttings I just pulled out of the hydroponic system. As you can see, it's a little small, not that many roots, so we're not going to plant that to be shipped out. That one is going to be planted in dirt and stay a little bit longer until it gets a little bit bigger like this. This one's decent. I still like it a little bit bigger, but this is what we're going to go with in the grow pot. This is the biodegradable grow pot that I ship them out in. I just use a combination of soil and pumice stone. The roots really love to attach the pumice stone and they grow really healthy, especially with the Swedish Ivy, I have learned. So I'm going to put a little bit of dirt, a little bit of the stones, mix it up a little bit. Now we're going to put the rooted cutting right in the middle and kind of hold it in place. And we're just going to do a combination of soil and pumice stones until we reach almost to the top, at least cover all the roots. So one good thing about it rooting from the stem is that it goes out sideways. You don't have to worry about the roots not getting enough oxygen and getting clumped in there. It's another reason for the stones. Allows oxygen to reach in there. So we just pat it a little bit, make sure everything gets down in to the grow pot. We don't want it shifting around during shipping. Like I said, we still want oxygen to the roots. We don't want to pack it in too much. And we just kind of hold it up. As you can see, it's falling over, so a little bit more in. See how that does. Tap it a little bit, just like I do the net pots for the hydroponic system. And there we go. Okay, next I am going to plant this little one in my 3D printed pot. As you can see here, just PLA, it's biodegradable. I'll have to throw it out, but I do reuse them. You see there's holes in the bottom for drainage. They do stack. A design I got offline, I redesigned it for my own use. You can see there's a little hole here in the back that you're supposed to be able to hang it. Like I said, I did not design it. I just redesigned this. So I'm just going to prepare the dirt here. Try to, yeah, I'm going to pull some of this out. A little bit too much. And there we go. Kind of push it around towards the middle. Put my rooted cutting right on top. The stuff I just took out right back in. And just like I did the grow pot, I would do a mix of dirt and pumice stone. And I'm just going to mix it around, make sure it's spread out. Tap it around. Push it a little bit. That guy is a little small. Like I said, that's why he's going in here. To get bigger so I can ship them out. Now, I don't always just go from the hydroponic system to shipping out. I do give it a couple days in the dirt before I do that so it does not shock the plant. If the plant's not big enough, I leave it in these 3D print pots and wait till it does get big enough and then I ship that out. So we see how beautiful that is. Nice bright green leaves. Beautiful. And that's ready to go. That one will get shipped out and the other one will go in my grow system. As you can see, let's pack this up a little bit better. All right, that's a finished product. To purchase your own Swedish Ivy plant or any other product that I have, you can go to my website, ambriasinc.com. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all Ambrias Inc. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all Ambrias Inc. Thank you for watching.